All right. Today is a good Saturday, nice and warm. Sunday is supposed to rain and maybe a little bit of Monday, but I'm going to install these and show you what these Diode Dynamics LED cool white fog lights are like. All right, as you can see, I have the driver's side one in, and the stock is on the passenger side. I have the Bi-exon HID, I think they're the 7Ks. I got them, man, 2004. They've been on the car for a long time, and I've never had any problems. But that is a night and day difference. I'll show you what the completed look is. Well, here's the final product of the Dino, the Diode Dynamics fog lights, LED. I love them. Can't wait to see these at night and how everything illuminates. So hopefully I'll have a night driving video of these things. And these are the Diode Dynamics LED fog lights. The HP36 LED cool white pairs, and these are the I believe 880s for the 99 to 2004 Mustang GT Mach 1s, the 0304 Machs, and these wouldn't fit on the 0304 Cobras. Those are a different style. But here it is. I love it.